In this video, I'll talk about how you can stay signed in on your YouTube TV account. Now, if you head over to tv.youtube.com and you sign into your account on your phone, smart TV, PC, it doesn't matter which one. Just keep in mind on your PC, you have to go on here. On your phone, you can go on here, or you can download the YouTube TV app. If you're on the smart TV, you can also do both. You can open the browser and come here, or you can go to the App Store on your TV and download the YouTube TV app. But if you want to stay in, what you need to do is sign in with your Google account. And usually the first time you sign into your account, it will ask you if you want to stay logged in. Then you simply want to press yes, and then just make sure that you don't clear your data or clear your cookies or manually log out of your account. That way you'll be keep signed in, and then there's not really much more to it. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.